Good afternoon. This is Tenacious DeFi. I'm representing the Crypto Land DAO. And today we will be doing a couple demos of the Harmony 1 bot, which is the AI bot from Harmony, available on Telegram. JKS Factory NFT generator, also known as the Joskins project. Several YouTubes and links. I mean, not YouTube's, X accounts and different links will be available. I'll try to get better at sharing the links as well. Also, I'm under a little bit of a time restraint, so we're going to be going a little bit quick, and we're going to be going a little bit out of order to see if we can get the NFT loaded. All right, first, this is, again, uncut. I'm not a paid promoter, or on this one, I'm not. This is not a paid promotion. I'm only a user. This is not financial advice. There may or may not be DeFi talk going on throughout the video, so this is just my own opinion. So anyway, we are at the site here. Again, I'll try to share the links. If not, you can come to the Discord and we'll catch you up. So we're just kind of at the page. I'll come back. I'm going to go in backwards order to see if we can get this to generate while we are live. So I'm just going through and filling out some of these. It's one of one art on here. Oops, this is going to be my third one. I've already made a couple descriptions here. You can go through and kind of figure out the easy stuff here. I did not see the price, so darn it. It's not unlockable. Close collection. We're going to put it on the marketplace. There we go. That's where it is. Let's do this one for $500,000 wage. ETH equals 1 on here, so just so you know, you got ETH, which is 1, wage, and JKS tokens. I'm going 500,000 of wage. There's a 5% service fee. You can set other fees on here. There's a lot more things you can set on here. I'm just doing the quick and easy. I think we're ready. We're just going to create this. There's going to be several things to confirm on here. Go through. This might take a minute. It's pretty slick though. These guys have been really building their butts off. So glad that we're working together and supporting each other and building quick. All right, so there should be 3 or 4 different confirmations here. I'm not even going to begin to try to explain what we're confirming, but I've done it before. It's about 4 or 5. Sometimes I have experienced if you go out of order, you may have to come up here and find the transaction sometimes if you see a number up here. Looks like everything's working good. Whoops, there, see, I jumped the gun there. My fault. I think we're getting pretty close. It says a couple minutes. We're just gonna, after we're done confirming on here, dang it, so I keep doing this. This is just for the one NFT. It's not for all your NFTs in your wallet. It's just for this one. Granting permission for Joskins to use it. I think we're getting closer. All mine, just for since I'm on here, mine are the Tenacious collection here. So they're all, this is the third one. I have a command prompt that I'm going to do for the fourth one. And we'll see after I get done with making that if this one's loaded up. I think it took about 5 minutes last time. It says 2 minutes, but maybe they're jam-packed here. Oh, it's my fault again. I forgot to set my timer too, so we're just going to try to boogie here. Again, I messed up if you accidentally touch your mouse or whatever, you missed the transaction. Unfortunately, I have to. There you go. All right, so it's created. It's just going to have to upload. Sure, we'll go over there. All right, so it's uploading. Number 3. In the meanwhile, we're going to go use the Harmony One bot. So I have this. Again, I'm going to try to get these links put down below the YouTube, but it's a work in progress. It's only our 3rd one. We're growing. We're supporting the different projects and trying to just raise awareness. So here's the Harmony One bot. I already have it on Telegram, so I'll go there. Here's the JKS factory link. Anyway, we're going to go down to, I'm going to copy this. See if it works properly. Of course not. There we go. Copy that. It's going to be our prompt to make some AI. There's the last one I just made. I think it's pretty cool. Let's get this up here for now. Should be there. Just going to kind of redo it one more time. Yeah, that should be it. So when you generate an image in here, the command for making art is /DALLE for the Dolly 3. Let's see, that should be it. It says it's generating. I usually do this on mobile, but there it goes. It's sending the photo. So we'll just wait a minute here. Here's a couple of the other ones that I've done. Oh yeah. It doesn't want to show that one. That's right. Let's see what we got here. There we go. What do we get? What do we get? You never know. Let's see what we got here. Cool. That's pretty neat. All right. So anyway, after you generate the image, you can open it up. Then you just save it as. We're gonna pop this in for T4. Oops, already messed it up. Definitely not the file guy, so don't copy me on this. T4 is my 4th one, so you got this is all for the same Joskins project here. So we're just gonna do that. This will be number 4 in the collection. That should be there. And then we just kind of go back to where we did before. And let's check in on what we got going on here. Okay, so we can go to. Oh, actually, I want to go to this one. And these guys just got this up, so fantastic. Appreciate everything that you guys are doing. Joskins fam, Satoshi girl. Now this is one that it's still trying to load. This is one that I did earlier. We'll just do one more quickie here, and then we'll pop over to a little quick Discord and see if this comes back in the meantime. So, I should say generate. There we go. So we can generate one more real quick. Pretty simple. Boom. Oh, that doesn't look very good. There it is. All right, we got that. Contract, NFT collection. Change this every time because it's going to be one of one. So people can kind of tell the difference. It's the 4th one that I uploaded. Make a little description. Marketplace. Price. And the member ETH is 1. So I guess we'll do this one in 1. Let's say 420. Service fee 5%. That's all good. I think that's it. I think we'll actually wait on this part. This takes a while, so I'll do this afterwards. Well, yeah, let's just do it real quick. Why not? Uploading the files. I think this is the longest part. Likes the rainbows on here for some reason. I like doing the different neon colors, but yeah, it's fun because you never know what you're gonna get. After you get some good commands in there, though, it gets a little easier. All right, come on. Maybe if we get two in order, maybe it'll push the first one through. I'm not sure how that works. Two. Should have 2, 3 more. I'll be doing other content on these guys coming up. I'm just kind of learning as we go. Like I said, I'm not paid. I just came through. I was able to test it out. You gotta get a Joskins pass to be able to do this, I believe. And if you just follow them on X, they can walk you through it. They have a private Discord, and they're building it out. So look forward to more of that. They're going to have some public areas, and then as you purchase different items, you'll kind of move up the ranks over there. Definitely lots of cool rewards, cool team. Boom. All right. See, that was a lot quicker this time because I was on it. Again, the first time it's more my fault. So let's see if we if I can show the one that we did before. There's that. No, I think I might have overdid it there. It's fine. We can come back to this. Cut this right. That. Might have overloaded it. All right. Let's check this out. Manage my NFTs. And it's not working right now, so we might have just overdid it here. Again, they are actively working on this too, so it could just be something that they're doing now. Let's see. See if I can get to here. All right, that one's loading. This one's up. There you go. So I think that was the one we did. I'm getting confused. I think this one's loaded since we came on. This is the new one that we just did here, and this is one I did earlier today. So I think that's all of them there. Let's do a really quick little walkthrough here for the CryptoLand DAO. Follow me on X, Tenacious DeFi. This is CryptoLand Discord. The link is there, and the CryptoLand X account also. The link is also there. I'll try to pop that into the description here. A couple quick perks. When you come in here, you'll have to go through some security. After you get into the main Discord, you may be a fiat or Satoshi. Afterwards, then you can come here, activate engage, and you can pick up these roles. And right now we have a rewards token going with a test token, so you can earn up to 1,000 of those a day just by participating in here. And we're growing too. We're growing with lots of community, lots of perks, some cross project utilities going on, currently between Joskins and CryptoLand DAO. We hope to keep that up. We're going to be doing some more merch. I personally purchased some merch, made the NFTs. So yeah, this has been the quick walkthrough. So today we did the Harmony One bot, available through Telegram. We also did the make an NFT on Joskins, and I think that's going to go ahead. That's going to wrap us up for today. This is Tenacious DeFi, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.